Want to use Mega directly from your Windows PC? You can manage cloud files, upload and download data, sync folders, and monitor transfers without relying entirely on your browser. In this guide, I'll show you the main Mega features you need on Windows. Let's get started. First, install the official Mega Desktop app for Windows and launch it. Sign in with your Mega account credentials. After logging in, the application connects your computer with your Mega cloud storage. Make sure you're using the correct account before configuring any folders. Once Mega is running, you can access your cloud files through the desktop application and its Windows integration. Browse your folders just like you would with other files on your computer. You can open, organize, rename, and manage supported files while keeping them connected to your cloud storage. To upload files, place them into the appropriate Mega folder or use the available upload controls. Mega will transfer them to your cloud storage. To download something, select the file from your Mega storage and save or copy it to a local Windows folder. Keep an eye on transfer activity while large files are moving. One of the most useful Windows features is folder synchronization. Open Mega's Sync settings and choose a local folder you want to connect with a folder in your Mega cloud. Review both locations carefully before confirming. Once enabled, changes inside that synced folder can be reflected through Mega. When files are uploading, downloading, or syncing, check the transfer section to monitor their progress. You can identify active or completed transfers and investigate anything that fails. If a transfer gets stuck, check your internet connection, available storage, and the selected file. Yeah, this is a useful place to troubleshoot. Finally, open the Mega settings and review options for syncing, bandwidth, notifications, startup behavior, and other preferences. Only change advanced settings when you understand their effect. For extra security, keep your Mega account protected with a strong password and available security features. And that's how to use Mega on Windows. Install the desktop app, access your cloud files, manage transfers, configure sync folders, and adjust your settings as needed. Once everything is configured, Mega can become a convenient part of your everyday Windows workflow. Pretty easy, right?